This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County. I'm at 114 Sheldon Terrace, Unit D in New Haven, Connecticut. Here we are in the living room. See, it's cable ready. Brand new flooring, brand new paint throughout the unit. This door is a front entrance. We'll see rear entrance afterwards as well. Nice large space. There's also a nice deep closet. See the depth there. Really good spot. Right. For a one bedroom, right, it is very good size. See that as we step into the kitchen. Nice feature here, this countertop, right, for an eat-in kitchen option. You put one side up, you put both sides up. And there's that open floor plan. See the appliances. Brand new countertop. Closet number 2. Third closet, pantry. Here's that rear entrance that we mentioned before. Let's spin around, check out the bathroom. New lighting, medicine cabinet and mirror. And finally, into the bedroom. Same new paint, same new flooring, right, fully renovated. Very nice spot we have here for you. As a Nexus Property Management tenant, you'll have access to easy online payment if you wish to do so. You also have 24/7 maintenance coverage, including emergency maintenance. This is 114 Sheldon Terrace, Unit D.